creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? On this video, we are going to learn the song Creep by Radiohead. We're going to use 4 chords on this song, and for finger positioning, this is going to be finger number 1, number 2, 3, and 4. Check out the chord chart right over here so you know which fingers to use on each chord. Alright, so the 4 chords are G, B, C, and C minor. For strumming, we're just going to use our index finger like so. Alright, we're going to be using 2 different strumming patterns for this song. The first strumming pattern is 4 downstrokes. The second strumming pattern is going to be down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Alright, let's try that with the G chord. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. So those are the 2 strumming patterns that we're going to be using. So now let's break down each part here. So for the verse, you're going to be using the single downstrokes 4 times. Down, 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 down. Go to B, down, 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 down. Go to C and D, D, C, C, C minor. And then G again. Alright, so let's check the chorus. Let's see. It's the same as the verse. But I'm a creep. And go to B. What the hell am I doing? C. And C minor. Alright? I think we got that part. For verse 2, we're going to be using the second strumming pattern that we learned. That's going to be down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Alright, let's try that. The first 2 lines of this verse. I don't care if it hurts when I have control. Down, down, up, B. C, C, C minor, C minor, then repeat. Alright, so that's verse number 2. Moving on to the next. This is the second chorus. It's exactly the same words, but the pattern on the second chorus is going to be down, 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 up, down, up. The first chorus we did 4 downstrokes. With this one, we're going to do down, 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 up, down, up. But I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. Alright, see the last part? It says, I don't belong here. Just 2 downstrokes. I don't belong here. And then we're gonna break down the bridge. Alright, we're building up for the bridge for that one. That's why we're only doing 2 downstrokes. And bridge. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. G. B. C, C minors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, on the C minor. All right, we're gonna sing that later, so we're just breaking it down for now. So we're gonna go to verse 3. We're going back to the single downstrokes 4 times. Whatever makes you happy, whatever you want, you're so very special. Got carried away. I wish I was special. Alright, that's verse 3. For the last chorus, it's going to be super simple. It's the same as the very first chorus except the last part. But I'm a creep, I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. I don't belong here. Alright, so the last part is just 3 on the C minor, 3 downstrokes instead of 4. We'll pause. I don't belong here. Little drama effect on the last part. So now you can pause, practice, rewind whichever part you want to practice. So verse 1, chorus, verse 2, chorus, bridge, verse 3, and chorus. It's a lot of part, all right? But they're pretty much a lot of repetition. So go ahead and pause this video, practice those parts, and then play along with me. All right, so did you pause the video? Welcome back. Feel free to play along with me. When you were here before, could I look you in the eye? You're just like an angel. Your skin makes me cry. You float like a feather in a beautiful world. I wish I was special. You're so very special. But I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. Don't care if it hurts. Wanna have control. Want a perfect body. I want a perfect soul. Want you to notice when I'm not around. You're so very special. I wish I was special, but I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. Oh, she's running out the door. She's running out. She's run. Whatever makes you happy. Whatever you want. You're so very special. I wish I was special. But I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. I don't belong here. That's it, you guys. I hope that you like this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and remember to share it with someone you love. If you want to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Let's learn together. Thank you very much for your time. Maraming salamat po. Mwah!